Opening some silly toys. I really want shattered glass ratchet or wheel jack. Peeling off thy plastic. Finally got it open. I got Insecticon kick back. I put his limbs in a bowl. For the next one I got shattered glass ratchet, the one I wanted. Also put him in a bowl. Building, all finished. Building kickback next. They're done! I'm so happy I got the one I wanted, Yippee. Also, kickback came with a little creature with his package. It's so cute.